Back to another video, guys. It's Sunday, and that means we're up to car stuff today. Gonna go for a quick drive, meeting up with some friends. I did go for a drive this morning. Looks like I left my DJI camera on here, which I need to remove. Before we meet up with some guys, I'm gonna go for a car wash. As you guys could see, the car is filthy right now. Has a lot of salt on there. And we do have the bucket here with all the car wash stuff, so I'm just gonna go to like a hand car wash. No, a self-serve car wash. Throw the water on there, some soap. We already have it ceramic coated, so shouldn't take much time. If this is your first video, this is my Le Mans Blue 2020 M4 competition, and it's pretty much stock aside from lowering springs, which we did, and dyno and exhaust. We have a single mid pipe and catless down pipe. I did make a video on that, so definitely go and check it out. On the cosmetic side, we don't have any arrows yet, but we went ahead and did full ceramic coating and paint, a stage 1 polish on the paint. Came out good, but I think I want to redo it. There are some areas where we kind of missed on the ceramic coating, but overall the car looks perfect. My boy's opening the shop today. We're gonna go ahead and clean up the car, meet up with some guys, and go over there and meet up for the shop opening. Passenger has to sit in the back today, unfortunately. Right now I don't have any parts on order, but you know, I think one thing that's top of mind is the crank hub situation. Thankfully we're still on stock tune, so that shouldn't be an issue, but definitely want to take the precautions because you don't want to spin the crank hub. So I think right now I might go with the bolt capture, since that's more like affordable. And I've had friends who ran it too and they didn't have any issues, so that should be able to hold us down until at least, you know, if we end up going like big power, single turbo or twin turbo, bigger turbos, then, you know, if you got to go into the engine and do work anyways, then you could upgrade to a SSR crank hub or something like that. But the bolt capture should hold us down for now. So that's kind of what's on my plate for the next coming weeks. But honestly, I haven't really put that much miles on the car to really justify that I need it. It's not like I'm doing, you know, racing or whatever. So that's why I'm also considering maybe doing some carbon mods around, maybe some side skirts, front lip. But there's so many options out there that I'm trying to decipher like which one is going to give me that look that I want, like a GTS style look. But I don't like the GTS front lip. I'm thinking maybe I'll do like a CS front lip, CS side skirts, nothing too wide, just something decent. And then I definitely want to do the rear diffuser. I think that gives it a good amount of aggressiveness in the back, but I don't want to do any trunklet spoiler though. I think for the M4, based on how the trunklet is designed, and you know, I did research as well, BMW made it like that because they didn't want to have to run a trunklet spoiler on it. So I see a lot of guys, they run it, and it's, you know, it's not the worst thing, but definitely not in my top 5 list of things to do. I may run it at some point. I don't want you guys to come back and say, oh, why are you running a spoiler? You say you would never run a spoiler. I would, but right now I kind of like how the stock trunk looks. In like 2 months, right now you can see I have a check engine light. That's because we have the catless exhaust but no tune. So I'm thinking I'll probably do a tune around March thereabout. I have shitty tires right now, so there's no point in throwing like more power at shitty tires. That's how you end up in the wall, you know. So I'm gonna be doing it too in a couple months, and then you know, we'll kind of go down the rabbit hole of doing power mods like intakes or whatever. But yeah, for right now, I've been enjoying the car. It's been like really good. Still learning the driving dynamics of this car. I think this is the car that had the most power from factory that I've bought so far, so definitely takes a while to get used to that. Yeah, right now we're in M1. My M1 is configured for sport engine, comfort suspension, comfort steering. I think I need to change those settings. I think I'll probably do like sport steering, but I'll keep the transmission at level 2, and then my M2 mode is like full tilt sport plus engine, suspension and steering, and the transmission is all the way up. But I feel like on the street, my only complaint with this car, I don't know if it's because of the 19-inch wheels or the tires maybe, but it just rides so hard when you hit a bump. So I usually just, after hitting M2, click it down to sport for suspension, and obviously manual on the transmission. And then once you put it in M2, you get the sport display, so you have the shift lights up top and the heads-up display. Put the window down so you guys can hear the exhaust. Mandatory tunnel pull. Doesn't get old, bro. Yeah, so far we've been enjoying the exhaust. I like that, you know, it has the original valve. So we were driving here in Efficient. It was pretty quiet, and that's good if, you know, you're cruising around your neighborhood or there's cops around or whatever. If you live out in Cali, in Jersey not so much, but yeah, you could leave it in Efficient and it sounds pretty close to stock. But in Sport Plus you guys could hear it really opens up, and you could really enjoy that inline 6 sound. Oh. Finally pulled up to the wash, guys. It's looking crazy busy today, as expected, because after a snow day, I knew he was gonna pull me over, bro. I had a feeling.
Why?
I'm gonna have to pull over like up here. Yep. I seen like 7 cops all day, bro. Finally got pulled over. Hello.
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
License, registration, insurance?
Yep. May I ask why you pulled me over today?
Yeah, your temp tag is expired from last month. Alright, sit tight for 1 minute, okay?
Alright, cool.
Alright, I'm gonna make a deal with you. You're gonna take that temporary off, put this license plate on, and that way I'm not gonna write you a ticket, alright?
Okay. you gotta do when you're ceramic coated. Hit it with the air dryer now and then we should be good. What up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Masam.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
What's your name?
Pete.
Pete?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro. I saw your ad. I was like, yo, that color is
Appreciate you, bro.
hard,
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
I like the car too, bro.
Thank you.
And take good care of it. G82?
Yeah.
Nice. Blue interior, bro? That shit is fun.
Blue interiors is what did it for me.
How long you had it?
A year now.
A year? Okay. My boy was looking at a similar spec. It was in South Jersey, so
Yeah, bro.
that's fire,
I
man.
went and got it. The blue is what did it for me, bro.
Fire.
Sure.
You got Instagram or something?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Alright, good to meet you, bro. Boy, I got that sick G82 M Performance spoiler, X Drive. Nice. Alright, bet. Hit that kick to open on the trunk. That's a dope feature. Alright, so just gotta do a quick dry off. And for that, I'm gonna be using the Griot's Ceramic Speed Shine. That's what I use for drying. And I usually dry when there's a little bit of water on the car. That kind of helps it glide. See if we can make this a quick dry. It is cold out today, but... And it's crazy because I do have like a good wash setup, power washer setup at home. But, you know, who wants to do all that setup when it's so cold out to wash one car? Damn, she's already looking different, looking clean. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other side, clean up the car, put some tire shine on, and then I'm gonna tap back into you guys when I get to the location, to my boy's shop.
Just probably like this for now.
Huh? What? Yeah, for the plates, bro. He took my temp tag.
He took your temp tag?
Yeah.
I give you mine, bro. Don't worry. You have a plate.
Yeah, I just got the plates like a couple days ago, but you know I was trying to get 4 screws to put in there. Because they give us that stupid screws, but it's whatever.
Tell me you just washed the car? That shit was dirty.
That's wasted $6, bro.
The wheels out there.
Huh? The wheels were clean, bro. I think it's because I didn't use the soap, bro. I just rinsed it this time. But also the rag is dirty too. I think after like all the dust came up on it, well, just whatever. But you guys paid like what, $20?
Nah, bro, $9. They did it for me.
I mean, that's looking dirty too.
It is dirty.
Can't help it with winter, bro. Looks good though in a way.
Like this?
Yeah, this is fire, bro. With the red seats, clean. And it's sitting right.
Look up, bro.
Good to meet you, bro.
Finally, bro.
Finally.
Where's the car at?
It's down there. Between the Corvette. That's your Corvette too?
No,
Oh,
right
okay.
now.
I thought that was you. Okay. You got an F80, right?
I had F80, yeah. This color's beautiful, bro.
Yeah, bro. I've been trying to enjoy it. It's been fun to drive, but you got to get used to the traction on it.
100%.
Yeah, it's crazy. Funny enough, he picked up an M5 before me.
Yeah.
I drove that car, like I hopped in it, enjoyed it, like didn't think twice about driving it.
Yeah.
And then I drove this car, I'm like, oh, this is a lot more like torqueier. Like, you know, you lose so much
get
more
used to it,
traction. So it takes a while to get used to it, but
It's a fun car, though, man.
yeah, it's fun. Can't get enough
I
of
don't think I've ever seen this color on a before, in person at least.
it. Funny enough, I never saw one until I bought one.
Yeah?
Now there's like 4 in Jersey. Pull up, drop your car off, get comfy. And this is obviously the workspace. So yeah, they're going to be doing window tints, wraps, brake calipers, powder coating, you name it, anything car customization. And then he just said that he'll be doing also car detailing. So that's going to come later this spring, and that's why they have this section sectioned off. So, you know, definitely pull up, and you know, if you need any sort of work done. But yeah, that's the shop that you have it, Ardilla Customs, and he's in Hawthorne, New Jersey. But we're gonna go ahead and enjoy the festivities, and I'll catch you guys later. Well, yeah, that was fun. We actually played a few games and did like a raffle, and my boy, he won a free window tinting. What was the game? Cornhole? Yeah, we played a game of cornhole. He won free window tinting. We won a roof wrap that I'm gonna use for the daily, or for her car actually, and caliper painting. So I have a 328 convertible, which I think could really use a little bit of improvement. So we're gonna be using it for that. So we should be back at Ardilla Customs soon, but it's getting dark right now. We're gonna grab some coffee. We have like a 45-minute drive back home. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let me know if you know what you guys' thoughts are on the video, on the POV setup, and you know what you want to see next on the M4.